The Invisible Man is a science fiction novel by H. G. Wells, originally serialized in Pearson's Weekly in 1897. It was published as a novel the same year. The Invisible Man, the title refers to, is Griffin, a scientist who has devoted himself to research into optics and invents a way to change a body's refractive index to that of air so that it neither absorbs nor reflects light and thus becomes invisible. He successfully carries out his procedure on himself but fails in his attempt to reverse it. An enthusiast of random and irresponsible violence, Griffin has become an iconic character in horror fiction. In the story of the Invisible Man, a mysterious man goes to a village called Ibing, which is in the middle of a snowstorm. He then stays in an inn that is owned and run by the husband and wife George and Jenny Hall. They ask him not to be worried about the storm, so he goes to his room with his luggage. This man's name is Griffin, a scientist who usually spends his time in his room, experimenting with different chemicals and formulas. He is an introverted guy, which becomes a huge problem as he lives in a town where there is a lot of gossip. Griffin goes outside at night. However, B keeps himself completely bandaged up and wears a fake nose. The villagers think that he is very peculiar, especially because there are suddenly weird break-ins and a lot of robberies start happening in the village. But things became worse when the owner Jenny Hall asks him to pay up his rent or leave. So he gets depressed and frustrated, taking off all his bandages and clothes and manages to disappear in the night with his invisibility trick. Griffin then forces Thomas Marvel, a tramp or migrant worker by profession, to become his assistant. But Marvel betrays him and takes him to the police. So Griffin runs away again. The Invisible Man beats them up and wreaks some major havoc while leaving. While he is on the run again, Griffin happens to meet Dr. Kemp, his old friend from medical school. Griffin then tells his friend Kemp about his experiments with invisibility. Griffin tells Kemp the story of how he became invisible. He explains how he invented chemicals capable of rendering bodies invisible, which he first tried on a cat, then himself. Griffin burned down the boarding house he was staying in, along with all the equipment he had used to turn invisible, to cover his tracks. But he soon realized that he was ill-equipped to survive in the open. He also tells him how he has made plans to terrorize England by using his discovery of invisibility. Here's the gist of what he tells him. He was poor and was desperate to study invisibility. So he steals money from his father, who later commits suicide. Finally, Griffin gets a grip of the idea of invisibility and proceeds to do these things. First of all, set his landlord's building on fire. Second, wander around London. Third, rob a department store. And fourth, wear a ridiculous outfit hired from a theatrical costume shop and go to Iping for work. But soon, Camp realizes that Griffin has gone berserk and hands him over to the police. But Griffin still breaks through the police line and starts chasing Camp into the town. But unfortunately, the locals get hold of Griffin and kill him. At the end of the story, it is revealed that Marvel has saved all the notes written by Griffin in his room at the inn, but luckily, he can't make heads or tails out of them. So my friends, in my next video we will talk about the major questions that are asked in the question paper.